We have finished up this house, and if you want to see how we do it every step of the way, there's a video on sealing these up. If you notice that we have this all sealed up also, and now this house is ready for another 2 or 3 years. We get a lot of wind here, so this will move a lot. Probably 3 years from now we'll need to seal it up again. If not 5 years, we'll be calling about leaks. So keep that in mind. But here you go. This is something you could do to your home and make it better. See you guys. Now, something else you might consider. This was at Dollar Tree, including the gloves that I'm wearing. They also have some yellow ones here, neoprene. So we're looking like $1.25 each. This I'm using to spread the tar with, or actually clay. My longtime companion now is using it to spread tar, and then we throw it away. It's way less expensive than buying a $6 or $7 margin trowel, and if you get something on your hands, you can peel this off. Something to think about when you're spreading tar. All right, here I am on a windy day, which is the reason that I'm here, part of it, because it makes that roof move around, and it moves things. So if you notice, there's cracks right here that we're going to fill in and seal. It's been about 4 or 5 years since we did it last, and that's what you're going to expect. 3 to 5 years, you're going to have to come back and maintain all these areas and start ending up getting cracks. Now, some of these smaller ones, the sealant that we're using will be, this is from Lowe's, will be sealing in all that small cracks. So we're going to check all the way down the sides and the ends and seal it up with tar after we pull off the loose stuff. And then we're going to go back over the whole roof. If you notice, see some of it's coming through, bleeding through. And we're going to seal the whole roof with white, so not only will it be sealed, but it will reflect heat in the summertime. So that's what we're doing today, windy as it is.